This video will cover implementation details for agent traffic visualization from PryLink. As mentioned in our introductory video, agent traffic visualization is made up of two key components, T-Monitor and T-Console. T-Monitor is a VM running on the agent's desktop under Microsoft HyperV. We will begin by covering the steps required to install T-Monitor on an agent desktop. This example uses Windows 11, but the steps will be similar for any version of Windows with Hyper-V available. Begin by ensuring that the Hyper-V feature is enabled on your desktop. Go to the Windows search box and type in Features, then select Turn Windows Features on or off. Make sure that Hyper-V Management Tools and Platform are selected. Next, search for Hyper-V Manager, which is the user interface for the hypervisor platform. Here we will pin it to the taskbar for easy access. Once our T-Monitor VM is created, we will want to mirror network traffic from the host PC to the T-Monitor for analysis. To achieve this, we first need to create a virtual network switch. Click on Virtual Switch Manager and create a new external network switch. Choose the physical network card on the host PC that you wish to monitor and make sure to allow operating system sharing. Click OK. Under the newly created virtual switch, click on Extensions and make sure that Microsoft NDIS Capture is checked. In order to set the physical network card on the host PC as a traffic mirror source, we need to execute a few commands in Windows PowerShell. Start Windows PowerShell with administrator privileges. Copy and paste the 3 lines from PryLink documentation, replacing your virtual switch name where indicated. Execute the following PowerShell command to verify that changes were successful. Monitor mode should be set to 2. One final PowerShell command is required to enable processor resource controls. Once completed successfully, return to the Hyper-V Manager interface. Now we will create our T-Monitor VM. Click New, then Virtual Machine to start the new Virtual Machine wizard. Specify a meaningful name for the VM. Choose Generation 1. Assign 1024 megabytes of startup memory and uncheck Dynamic Memory. For connection, select the virtual switch that you created earlier. Create a virtual hard disk of size 8 gigabytes. Choose to install an operating system from a bootable CD/DVD-ROM. Enter the T-Monitor image file that you downloaded from PryLink. Click Finish. There are a few additional settings that we need to modify before starting the T-Monitor and installing the operating system. Select the newly created VM and click Settings. Under Processor, make sure that the number of virtual processors is set to 2 and enter 100% for virtual machine reserve. Expand Network Adapter and choose Hardware Acceleration. Uncheck all options. Still under Network Adapter, choose Advanced Features. Scroll to Port Mirroring and set the mirroring mode to Destination. Next, move to Checkpoints under Management and disable Checkpoints. Click OK to finalize settings. Now we are ready to start the T-Monitor, which will begin the installation process for the operating system. Select the T-Monitor and click Start. Once the VM is started, click Connect to begin installation. The image file is a modified Debian 11 installer that includes PryLink software as part of the base system. Proceed with installation using the default options. Include only the base system software and exclude any additional components such as a desktop environment. Once the installation is complete, the T-monitor will reboot, and you can disconnect by closing the console window. The T-monitor is now successfully installed and active on the Agent PC. Any traffic on the physical network card will be mirrored to the T-monitor and analyzed to produce compact metadata. The metadata from multiple Agent desktops can be collected and analyzed from a central location using the T-console app. The T-console app can be installed by downloading and running the PryLink installer. When you start the T-console app, it will automatically connect to any active T-monitors that you have purchased and allow you to view and analyze network metadata. This concludes our implementation of agent traffic visualization from PryLink. Thanks for watching.